Hey, what's up guys, this is your boy Mixin aka Babes, and today if you've not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new video, you become the first person to watch. Now I have received a lot of messages from people telling me to include different types of video too on this channel, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do today. Now today we are going to go to the range. Guess what they're gonna shoot? They're gonna shoot M240. Woo! Now if you don't know what M240 is, before we go to the range, I'll tell you a little bit history about the M240 so you get some knowledge about it. Then next time I'll give you more details about the M240. Okay, so stay tuned. Let's go. Let's get started. So a little bit history about the M240 before we actually go to the range to shoot. Okay, now the M240 is a general purpose machine gun which the United States military started using in 1977. So that tells you that it has been around for quite a long time. Alright, now with this machine gun they have been upgraded all the time, and now they have the M240 Bravo, they have the M240 Golf, and then they also have the M240 Lima. Okay, now you can mount this weapon on bipods, you can mount it on tripod, you can mount it on a vehicle, and even on aircraft. So it's very flexible to be used at any time and in any point. This M240 that we are going to shoot today is a belt-fed, air-cooled, gas-operated automatic machine gun, okay, which can fire at a rate of 650 to 850 rounds per minute. That tells you how powerful this weapon system is. One funny thing about the M240 is that everybody want to shoot the M240, but nobody want to carry it because it's a little bit heavier. Even the M240 Bravo weighs 27.6 pounds, and then the M240 Golf weighs 25.6 pounds, and then the M240 Lima weighs 22.3 pounds. And that tells you that yes, it's a little bit heavier. The length of the M240 is 49.7 inches. Okay, now that you have a little bit idea of what we are going to shoot today, let me show you how it functions. Then yes, we go directly to the field. This weapon system, or the M240, functions in 8 simple processes, and it's a cycle. The first one is feeding, the next one is chambering and locking, then you go to firing, then it's unlocking and extracting, then it goes to ejecting and caulking. Welcome to the range. So yes, as you can see, this is an example of what we are actually gonna shoot today, M240. So before you actually shoot the M240, this is where you're gonna practice it. Zero your weapon, they call it zeroing. So yeah, this is where you're gonna do the zeroing before you actually go shoot.
Water is tasting amazing.
So this is where we are actually going to shoot. This is where the qualification is going to happen. Now you can see at the range they have water buffalo at the back over there. You can see it to keep soldiers hydrated. Also they have where you can utilize the latrine and everything, and yeah, it is really clean over there. Now here is the ammunition point where you come for your ammunition before you actually go to zero, or you go to the actual range or where the qualification is happening to shoot. Now you can see they are opening it. Yeah. And now before you even go to the range, you need to have your HCH, your eye pro, your ear pro, your IOTV with plate. Yes, that's exactly, you can see soldiers getting prepared, getting ready for. So at the range, because it's very dangerous and we are using sophisticated machine gun, we have safety personnel at the range to help direct you if you are going wrong or if you need something. Now they can get more physical with you if you try doing something wrong or if you don't listen to them. That's the only point they can, in the military, somebody can get more physical with you. It's very serious at the range. We don't joke over there. And yeah, you're dealing with M240, you don't want to mess up with it, so you better be careful with it. Now, apart from the safeties on the firing line, you can see another person beside the person shooting, and that person is called the AG. Okay, so they also assist the person shooting, reloading and unloading the weapon system. After you're done shooting, you need to be cleared by the safeties before you can even leave the firing line. Now we're done shooting, let's take off the heavy IoT and the helmet and go get some food. We have MREs and then we have some food trucks that come to the range. So yeah, I don't know what they have, but let's see what they have. Yeah, we are currently at a food truck. Everybody is getting what he want to eat. They have a lot of food over there. They have kimchi fried rice, they have chicken fried rice, they have sandwiches, they have a lot of food, they have soup and everything. Yeah, so let's have fun over here and let's chill out. Just watch it. Sandy, what is that?
Bulgogi ramen.
Everybody did great on the zero, right?
So I just had the gun there, and I just told the guy, I was like, I'm just gonna hold it, and I prayed that I hit some. The only thing I hit was like 100.
So how many do you hit?
Probably like 2 or 3.
2 or 3 out of how many rounds?
All of it.
Like how many?
Probably like 150.
150 rounds?
Probably, yeah.
And you hit 2?
Probably.
What's the recipe for that? You have pop. Oh. So you put kimchi.
Everything inside.
Everything inside. Kimchi.
Meat, rice.
Meat. What meat is that? Is that like chicken or beef?
Chicken inside. Meat.
Chicken?
Inside. No chicken. Over there, chicken inside.
Oh, so this one is chicken.
Yeah,
Yeah, this one is chicken. Don't touch this shit.
Oh, let me see. This one is chicken.
Over there, bulgogi inside.
Oh, okay. So what meat is this? What meat? Is it beef? Beef?
Pork.
Pork, yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna try that. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Please kindly click on the subscribe button right now and like, share, comment. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Bye.